Well, as part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has changed his profile picture on his social media handles to Tiranga ahead of the Independence Day. Now, Prime Minister Modi also urges the citizens to join Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. That's the big word that we have received straight from our sources. You can track the profile picture of the Prime Minister. It has been changed to the tricolour. Remember, the BJP is scheduled to launch the third edition of their Har Ghar Tiranga 2024 campaign. It kicks off from today. It is going to be celebrated across the nation with the Indian flag on the occasion of 78th Independence Day. This time around, we have CNN News 18's Payal Mehta joining us on the broadcast as well. Payal, a very good morning to you. What kind of celebrations are we expecting from the BJP's camp as they are looking at kicking off the third edition of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign this year?
Well, good morning, Sakshi, to our viewers, and good morning to you as well. Of course, it's going to be a very, very important celebration that will take place in the run-up to the 15th of August when we celebrate our 78th Independence Day. Essentially, in a bid to inspire the people of the country, especially the youth, to take pride in India's fight for freedom and how it has been achieved over the years, and to give recognition to people who are like completely unrecognized beyond a certain point. The Tiranga Yatra is going to be taken place by multiple people. People have been asked to keep their DPs, their DPs on social media as the tricolor. Prime Minister Modi, in fact, leading by example as well. So that's something which, of course, the BJP is going to do. Every BJP leader has been asked to go into their own constituency to, in fact, distribute flags to people. In fact, to ask them to participate in these Tiranga bike yatras, etc. The party wishes to undertake. So, like over the last few years that you've seen under the Modi regime, every occasion is celebrated in a big, big way, whether it's the 26th January, whether it's the 15th August, and special guests have also been invited. I remember very clearly on such occasions, the Prime Minister asked these celebrities, especially sports persons, to come for the 15th August function or probably to come for the 26th January function so that they can inspire the generations, ahead as well. So, no, nothing really unusual given the fact that this is the government which has done this, in multiple times in the past. But yes, the Prime Minister being the first person, the first citizen, in fact, amongst the power circles to actually have changed his DP profile on X and, of course, the other social media profiles to the Tiranga, which is, of course, our pride, our national flag.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for shedding light on all kind of preparations that we will be looking forward to. Of course, with Prime Minister first up changing his profile picture to a tricolour. We are shifting focus to another breaking news now.